Welcome back to 20 Car. In a world where luxury bends to the will of speed, the 2025 Toyota Century concept remains impervious to fleeting trends. It does not rush, it reigns. Like an emperor surveying his domain, this automotive masterpiece moves with an almost divine serenity, exuding an aura of cultivated supremacy. Crafted in Japan's hallowed halls of refinement, it is not merely a car, it is a rolling testament to meticulous craftsmanship, imperial opulence, and avant-garde innovation. Inside, the sanctuary unveils itself, supple Shimamoku wood, hand-stitched leather, and a digital symphony of next-gen displays and haptic controls. Passengers are not merely seated, they are enshrined in a cocoon of tranquility, where noise and discomfort dare not trespass. The rear cabin, designed for dignitaries and visionaries, rivals the interiors of Japan's most exclusive ryokans. Beneath the sculpted hood lies a 3.5-liter V6 hybrid powertrain, silently commanding 431 horsepower. The acceleration? A sublime 0 to 100 km height in 5.5 seconds, not designed for reckless haste, but for effortless assertion of dominance. In the realm of aristocratic motoring, its rivals, Bentley Flying Spur, Rolls-Royce Ghost, chase an ideal of Western decadence. But the Century concept transcends. It is neither ostentatious nor apologetic, it simply exists at the pinnacle, untouchable. Priced at an estimated $200,000, it is not for the ordinary connoisseur but for the select few who understand that true power whispers. Ownership bestows more than just status, it is an investment in heritage, reliability, and Japan's unshakable pursuit of perfection.